Hi guys, come with us to Mustards as we have our lunch.
Pinag-usapan ito mga.
Kay Ate Pia, Michelle, Christy.
Yay, andito na tayo guys. We're so excited kasi we're complete.
Tutuwa ako, natuloy din tayo.
Oh my gosh.
Yung reservation nga pala namin guys is 1:15 and we arrived at 1:20. So by this time, gutom na talaga.
Order
So,
niyo lahat. Sige, go. Ay, ayan. Okay, bag. Okay.
yung katabi nga naming table asked, "Are you guys celebrities?" Wow. Kasi tingnan mo naman si Apeng, oh, pag inom pa lang talaga ng alak, para talagang celebrity. Chris Aquino eh. Tapos ayan, cheers for Instagram. Si Michelle uminom na, pero sabi, okay, ulitin natin. Kasi sabi nga nila, Instagram always eats first. Time to rate the appetizers,
Crab
guys.
cake. 5 out of 5.
And then let's try this Asian noodle salad.
Salad. 5.
And then this ahi tuna on sesame crackers. Let's taste. Then let's try the onion rings with tomato apple ketchup.
Ito. Hindi siya kasi sarap ng habit grill, char.
Appetizers done. So, syempre, nag-what's in my bag na naman kami kung saan ang mga babae ay go magpakita ng mga laman ng bag nila.
Ay, oh wow, lots of cash.
Ayan na nga si Christy, ready to sell her bag. Grocery, chapstick, card holder, pupuri, o libreng tissue. Syempre, as usual, si Apeng hindi magpapatalbok.
Ay, baka hindi makauwi. Talaga. Ito, si Sharon po.
Ayan, tapos may medyas. Benta na rin ang alahas. Yay, food is here. Let's eat, guys.
Oh, looks so pretty.
Ang honest ng mga tao dito, kaya gusto ko rito eh. We ordered chicken, pork, o ribs. Okay, so hiniwa-hiwa na by 6 ang bawat pagkain.
4. Kailangan ko ng mga 2 pounds na ganito.
Safe to say, the rating is 5 out of 5. And then, tasting the ribs and then the slaw.
May degree kasi ako in food criticism.
So, the ribs, the cornbread, the slaw, 5 out of 5. Then, let's taste the chicken and asparagus.
Parang 5 out of 5.
So, ayun, ang galing nga naman in-order ni Apeng. Ayan, naiiyak na nga ako kasi lahat masarap. And then, tapos na kami kumain ng main dish. So, now we're gonna order dessert. Pero ito si Ate Apeng, ayaw talagang papigil. Gusto niya pa ubusin kahit kinukuha na ng waiter. Time to order dessert. We decided on 3 items, which is the cornbread, chocolate tart with coffee ice cream, lime meringue cake tart. Lemon lime tart is 3 out of 5 kasi parang masyado siya matamis. Hazelnut truffle tart with espresso ice cream. This is my favorite kasi ang sarap.
Ito yung gusto
Sarap
kong
na
dessert.
talaga.
Dark, coffee. Saka iba lasa pag libre, no? Mas ma-flavor.
Wala tayong pambayad.
Yung mga alahas nyo, ibigay nyo yung alahas nyo.
Okay, after all is said and done, after coupon and discount, nagbigay na kami ng share namin na $22 each. That's all, guys. See you on the next video. Bye!